I'll get it. Ready? Ready, ready, ready. I'm going to throw it this way. Go get it. Oh. Good boy. Good boy. You're probably thirsty again. He likes to slay in my shadow, or whoever's shadow. Let's go down here and get some water. Alright, come on, well, let's go get some water. I'll grab this. And no, come on, let's go get water. Let's go get water. Let's go get water.
On purpose, yeah. Oh, you probably will figure that out, yeah.
Good morning, Carl.
Morning. Hi, how are you?
Good, good.
Good.
Come on, Macho, water.
Hi, you guys. Well, I see you got to drive that big giant car, but you're a big giant guy, so it's perfect.
I don't know why they have the water on the inside of these gates like this. Oh boy, okay. Good boy, I don't want you puking it all up. I'm like that too. When I get really tired, we'll just drink, 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 drink. Okay, Macho, let's go. That's enough. Oops. Now you want your ball? There we go. Good catch. He wants to lay down in the shade. Good boy. Take a rest. Good boy. No, no. No, don't drink out of there. You want some water? Whoops, I'm sorry, Macho. You want water? Come on, let's get some water. Come here. I'll get you some water. Molly. Molly, come on. Macho. Come here, Molly.
Here, get some good water. Come on.
Come on, Macho, you get out. You've had enough. Macho, come on.
Maggie, nobody likes you.
Shut up. Good boy. See? That's why. He just...
Getting trained or anything? I had her in like little puppy obedience classes.
Where's your ball?
But not...
You left it over there.
No. It didn't take for Maggie. She's like, nah, I'm not really service dog.
Good boy. Big old water hole. That's Maggie's favorite. Maggie's favorite water hole.
Yeah, no, she's, no more drinking.
Macho. Ready? Ready to go get it? Good boy. I'm not in slow motion now, but yeah, I have the setting. It's a Galaxy 8. What do you have? It probably does. Just rest. Catch your breath for a minute. Good boy. Can't sit still, can you? Macho, you gotta go get your ball. Macho, your ball. Go get your ball. Over here. Go get your ball.
Get your ball. Machito.
There it is. Nope.
Macho.
Macho, right here. Macho, get your ball. Good boy. Good boy. And girls. Magnolia. Oops. Macho, here's your ball. Here, I'll throw it for you. Macho, look. Distract him from that other dog. I think it's a girl. Hold on. You see the shadows? He's goofy. He's so goofy. Look at that little tiny dog. Ready? There's Max. Go get it. Good boy. Good boy. Max, what you doing? You eating a tree? No, he's a good boy. Yes, he's a good dog. Maggie, look at me. Maggie. Maggie. Good girl.
Lightweight champion, lightweight
Lick his eyeball too.